Equity linked saving schemes is a type of mutual fund which invests into equity category, which is nothing but stocks. Now, most importantly, all investors use this for tax saving purposes. So, as per the Indian Tax Act and under Section 80C, the Indian government has given all taxpayers the opportunity to invest up to rupees 1.5 lakhs per annum and save up to rupees 45,000 every year by investing in one of the schemes which qualify under Section 80C. And ELSS is one of the best schemes which qualify under Section 80C. The two important advantages of investing in ELSS schemes are that the first one, it has least amount of lock-in period, which is only 3 years. And the second one, it has highest returns basis the past data, of course, as when compared to any other category. Now, don't leave your tax planning to February or March. Start it now and make it a part of your wealth creation plan. And for more such videos, don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you.